Let's talk about income tax deductions. This has to be one of the most commonly misunderstood things that everybody gets wrong every single year. The questions that I get day in, day out, the bane of accountants' existence sometimes. So let's set the record straight. For every dollar that you spend, you do not get $1 back on your tax. People are like, can I do my tax this year? I want to get my refund. Not everybody gets a tax refund. So let's break down how it actually works. So it depends on your tax rate. Most people's tax rate is probably around, let's say, 30%. So that means for every dollar you spend, you get 30 cents in the dollar back on tax. Let that sink in. So is it really worth spending all that money to get 30 cents in the dollar back? The answer is no. You don't always get that back either. It's just reducing the tax you've already paid. So if your employer hasn't withheld enough during the year, maybe you've got 2 jobs and you have not claimed the tax-free threshold correctly, you might end up actually paying tax. And it won't matter how many deductions that you actually have. If you've got 2 jobs, make sure that you're only selecting to claim the tax-free threshold once. Otherwise, you'll end up paying too much tax at the end. As I said before, it does depend on your individual tax rate. So you can head on over to the ATO website. There's some calculators on there that will help you work out what your tax rate is, or you can have a chat to your accountant. I'm sure they'd be happy to help.